about the bacteria and archaea domain. So in the past, archaea were classified as bacteria and were called archaea bacteria. So before, archaea and bacteria were classified as one, but it was discovered that archaea have a distinct evolutionary history and biochemistry compared with the bacteria. So the similarities are that archaea and eubacteria are prokaryotes. They are both single-celled organisms and they do not have a nucleus or organelle. So we will compare the archaea domain and the bacteria domain. So they have both ribosomes. Both archaea and bacteria have a robust ribosomes. So the archaea constitutes a domain or kingdom of single-celled microorganisms. These microbes are prokaryotes, so meaning that they have no cell, nucleus, or any other membrane-bound organelle in their cell. As we have discussed in my very first video, prokaryotic cells has no membrane-bound organelles. They just have the ribosomes, the DNA, and the cell wall. Other prokaryotic cells have no cell wall. So in bacteria constitute a large domain of prokaryotic microorganisms, typically a few micrometers in length. Bacteria have a number of shapes ranging from spheres to rods and spirals. So bacteria has many shapes such as spheres, rods, and spirals. So in terms of cell walls, archaea is pseudopeptidoglycan and bacteria is peptidoglycan or lipopolysaccharides. And in terms of habitat, so archaea lives in extreme and harsh environments like hot springs, salt lakes, marshlands, oceans, gut of ruminants and humans. So bacteria are ubiquitous and are found in soil, hot springs, radioactive wastes, water, Earth's crust, organic matter, bodies of plants and animals, and etc. So in terms of their growth and reproduction, archaea reproduce asexually by the process of binary fusion, budding and fragmentation. So binary fusion is a parent cell dividing into two haploid cells. So bacteria, in terms of growth and reproduction, eubacteria reproduce asexually. So they both reproduce through binary fusion, budding and fragmentation. But eubacteria have the unique ability to form spores to remain dominant over years, in trait that it is not exhibited by archaea. So bacteria has the ability to remain dormant over years. So in terms of size and shape, both archaea and bacteria are similar in size and shape. They are both found occurring as rods, cocci, spirals, plates, and coiled. So they are similar in shape and sizes, but they differ in cell structure. So in general, structure of archaea and bacteria are the same, but composition and organization of structures differs in archaea. Similar to bacteria, Archaea do not have interior membranes, as I've said earlier, but both of them has cell wall and use flagella to swim. So, Archaea differ in the fact that their cell wall does not contain peptidoglycan, and cell membrane uses either linked lipids as opposed to ester linked lipids in bacteria. So, as I've said earlier, as I've mentioned earlier, they both swim by flagella. So, their production of growth, as I've said earlier, this is only a recap. Archaea reproduce asexually by the process of binary fission, budding, and fragmentation, as well as the bacteria also reproduce through asexual reproduction with the process of asexual reproduction through binary fission, budding, and fragmentation. But I've said earlier, eubacteria has the unique ability to form spores to remain dormant over years, a trait that is not exhibited by the archaea. So bacteria growth follows in 3 phases. The lag phase, when cells adapt to new environment, log phase, marking exponential growth, and stationary phase, when nutrients get depleted. So their habitat, archaea, can survive in extreme and harsh environments. Eubacteria are ubiquitous, meaning they are found in fresh marine waters and are also found in soil, hot spring, radioactive water wastes, earth's crust, organic matter, bodies of plants and animals, etc. Thank you. That ends my discussion about the bacteria and the archaea and bacteria domain. Thank you.